Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable to remember last open chart on TradingView account. So first we're going to go to the TradingView app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on menu, which is found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next you're going to click on settings, found at the top right corner. Then click on chart. Then there's the remember the last open chart on this device option. You're going to turn it on. So from now on, the app will remember the last chart you viewed across all your devices. It's a very helpful setting since you won't miss any chart you've opened and it will show you. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.